guys, so today I want to take the truck out and do some test drive and get some miles on the truck after having these repairs made. Get it up on the interstate and put some miles on it. Make sure that we've got everything cured back there that we need to make sure that we're not going to have any more issues out of that said axle seal. So definitely got to get it out, get it up to highway speed. So, because I have a feeling we are leaving Indiana this weekend and destination unknown just yet. So, come along, let's go put some miles on this old girl. A little bumpy coming out of the campground here. This guy just thought it was a good idea just to park his camper in front of the dump station. And one and only dump station they have here. It's kind of inconsiderate. As you can see, there's no vehicle attached. And kind of right in the middle of the road, too. Don't be that kind of camper. Not very nice. Guys, I have to excuse the air conditioning noise. It's so freaking hot today. I swear the chicken farmers are feeding them chickens ice cubes so they don't lay hard-boiled eggs. That's how freaking hot it is already today. Very humid. There's some really nice houses and stuff here close to the campground. Not really a big fan of our campsite being this close to the road, but you know, that's what it is sometimes. Oh, we're in downtown old Greenfield, Indiana. Got a quaint little small town. Looks like they actually used their downtown for a lot of businesses too. Well, as bad as I hate to, I guess there's a couple errands that need to be done, which requires me to go to Walmart. So I get to go face the terrible off Walmart alone. Miss Jill's back home working. So I guess if you ain't working today, you gotta do the chores. Alright, let's go here and get this over with. Something about back roads and good music, man. Gets your heart pumping. Well, we got back from the drive with the truck. Truck seems to be fine, but a husband's work is never done. So not only did I have to go to the hell called Walmart by myself because Miss Jill was at work. That's what I get for loafing today, I guess. She tells me she can't work here anymore. We might have to burn this place to the ground. That's the text message I get from my wife. So now I'm home. Her and the dog stayed outside looking at the RV. So now I'm really wondering what the hell is going on here. Let me show you what's going on here. I'm not quite sure you guys can see this, but let's see here if we get down here just a little bit. Look at this big fool here hanging on the side of the camper. So Miss Jill is working just on the inside of this window here, and she's not real happy about that. So since he's out of my reach, we have to use the trusty shovel here. A spider killer, mouse killer, and whatever else it's probably killed in its duration of service. Let's see if we can get him riled up. There he is. He's probably not going to be real happy with me here in about a moment. He's made a pretty good home, and as you guys can see, he's trying to run now. So he's actually got a web and everything up here. And he is a very big, annoyed fella right now. Okay. Good. Well, now that the spider has been dealt with, Miss Jill can go back to work. She was afraid that it was going to find a little crack to come through there on the slide and come sit down beside her. Or along come spider or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, so that's been taken care of. Now, I guess we're going to think about dinner here since she gets off work, on what that's going to be or what that's going to consist of. Probably should make something at home since we have food in the refrigerator, but we've been being bad here lately, and being that them kind of on vacation RVers, I guess, here lately, I guess is one way to put that. And I'll touch base on that in another video. But it's a vicious cycle you can get into if you forget that you're not actually living like you do normally, like in everyday life, if you're going to live like you're on vacation, because it's not always vacation out here. But we'll touch base on another video. Until next time, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today, and we'll be back tomorrow with another video. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.